Uniquely positioned to create the next generation of innovators and problem solvers, Orlando Science Center aims to strengthen our economy and to help our region prosper. To do that, we must prepare our community's youth to fill jobs of the future.
You look at the Science Center, that's where the workforce is tomorrow there, because they're getting excited on their own about it, not where it's being force-fed from them in schools. And that's why we need to not just have more field trips, but more parents, more businesses engaged in giving back to help keep that content relevant.
I think if you get to the Science Center and see some exhibit, it kind of draws you in and maybe heightens your awareness of it and gives you an opportunity to really go beyond just a classroom and a textbook.
The Science Center is a place where children can go to learn and get that hands-on experience for the standards that are going to be required for our children.
One of the vital institutions is the Orlando Science Center. It's a place where careers are launched, maybe 20 years before the students even know it.
When we look at the Orlando Science Center, for us, it's the center of science in Orlando. So what EA's tried to do is to try and find ways that we can inspire those kids when they're young and let them know that whether they want to create video games, work in healthcare, work in the military simulation, everything has a tie to that STEM education, and it makes it important for them.
I feel like we have the next couple of generations of employees that are interested and absolutely excited about STEM, just as much as we are.
High school is really when I got very involved with the Science Center through the OSC's Dr. Nelson Ying Science Competition. And I had the good fortune to compete and win 3 years in a row. And that really showed me that I could make a career out of the research I was doing.
One of the key factors about having a science center such as this is a defining statement for a community. If you're going to be a world-class community, you've got to have world-class museums and a world-class science center and educational opportunities.